Hello everyone, today I will take you to explore the processing site of LK TC-1200 Tapping Center. This tapping center boasts industrial-grade rigidity, enabling it to push the boundaries of aluminum alloy machining. Now, we'll walk you through the precision process from raw stock to finished component. The first process is rough machining of the shape. Use D12 edge and mill. The spindle speed is set to 8,000 RPM. The feed rate reaches 4,000 mm per minute. The cutting speed reaches 300 meters per minute. Cutting depth reaches 22.8 millimeters. Width is 3 millimeters. The radial cutting depth is maintained at 0.5 millimeters per revolution. It can not only remove the excess efficiently, but also ensure the balanced load on the tool. Now is the stage of rough machining inner cavity. Use D6 edge and mill. The cutting speed reaches 150 meters per minute. The feed rate reaches 3,500 millimeters per minute. 10 millimeters depth has completed. 2 millimeters wide precision cavity. These parameters match the material characteristics of AL6061, effectively avoiding tool sticking and ensuring cavity surface quality. 5 hole processing. Use specialized D5 drill bit. The speed reaches 2,000 RPM. The cutting speed reaches 31 meters per minute. The feed rate reaches 500 millimeters per minute. Ensures hole straightness at 30 millimeters. The feed rate reaches 0.25 millimeters per revolution. Can accurately control the chip removal condition to prevent aluminum chips from accumulating and scratching the whole wall. Polishing process. Use D8 edge and mill. The spindle speed increased to 10,000 RPM. The feed rate reaches 1,500 millimeters per minute. The feed rate increased to a more precise 0.15 millimeters per revolution. Achieve 0.1 millimeters cutting allowance control. At a cutting speed of 251 meters per minute. The sidewall surface roughness can reach RA 0.8 standard. D4 x 90-degree chamfering tool. The cutting speed reaches 125 meters per minute. 1.5 millimeters depth. 0.5 millimeters width chamfering. The feed rate reaches 2,500 millimeters per minute. Ensure the consistency of edge are 0.25 mm, effectively eliminating the risk of stress concentration. The second process optimizes the cutting parameters. When rough machining the shape, the tool specifications remain unchanged and the cutting speed is adjusted to 125 meters per minute to balance the machining efficiency and tool wear. The cutting width is 6.4 millimeters in the fine polishing stage, and the verticality of the sidewall is controlled within 0.01 millimeters. This is the final product. LK TC-1200 adopts thermal deformation compensation system and dynamic rigidity optimization design. Improve AL6061 material processing efficiency by 30% and surface quality by 50%. Fully demonstrated the core technical advantages of LK CNC machining in the field of complex aluminum alloy parts manufacturing. LK strives for your success. Please follow us on more machine information.